Ethelfold, Lady of the Mersons, d. 12th of June 918, ruled Mercia from 911 to her death in 918. She was the eldest daughter of Alfred the Great, King of the Anglo-Saxon Kingdom of Wessex, and his queen, Ealhswith. Ethelfold was born at the height of the Viking invasions of England. Her father married her to Ethelred, Lord of the Mersons. After his death in 911, she ruled. The Anglo-Saxon Chronicle referred to her as the Myrknehefdij, Lady of the Mersons. Early life. Ethelfold was, according to Assur, the firstborn child of Alfred the Great and his Mercian queen Ealhswith, who was a descendant of King Cynwulf of Mercia through her own mother Eadbert. Ethelfold's date of birth is not known, but it was probably sometime between the marriage of her parents in 868 and birth of her brother Edward the Elder, whose own date of birth is not known but presumably took place before 878. Alfred was the fifth son of King Ethelwulf and was never expected to become king. However, by 865 three of his brothers had died and Ethelred, the only other one still alive, was King of Wessex. Soon afterwards in the same year a great Viking army arrived and wreaked havoc in much of England. It would be the start of a long period of war between the Vikings and the Anglo-Saxons which lasted many battles until after the Battle of Edington in 878, in which Alfred was king and commander. Lady of the Mersons, Ethelfold was already married to Ethelred, then Ealdorman of Mercia. Ethelred and Ethelfold are recorded as having had one daughter, Elfwin. Ethelstan, the son of Edward the Elder and the grandson of Alfred, was brought up in their court. Near the end of the reign of Alfred the Great, Ethelred and Ethelfold were requested by Wurfirth, the Bishop of Worcester, to fortify the town, in return for which they shared the rents and other profits which had belonged to the bishop. Ethelfold established garrisons in Hereford and Gloucester before 914 and repaired the old walls of Chester in 907. In 910 she built her first fortress. Since her husband took no part in the campaign against the Danes, some scholars suggest that she was the real leader of the Mercian people. On her husband's death in 911 after the Battle of Tettenhall, she was recognized as the Lady of the Mersons. This was not a purely honorific title. Ethelfold was a formidable military leader and tactician and ruled for 8 years. Upon succeeding her husband, she began to plan and build a series of fortresses in English Mercia, 10 of which can be identified: Bridgenorth, 912, Tamworth, 913, Stafford, 913, Edisbury, 914, Warwick, 914, Cherbury, 915, Runcorn, 915. 3 other fortresses, at Bramyspur, Surgeat and Woodberrig, have yet to be located. Ethelfold allied herself to her brother Edward the Elder, king over much of England. Historian Sir Frank Stanton said that Edward was able to achieve the outstanding feature of his reign, the move against the occupying Danes in the south of England, due to being able to rely upon Ethelfold. In 916 she led an expedition into Wales to avenge the murder of a Mercian abbot, and succeeded in capturing the wife of the king of Brycheiniog. Edward the Elder issued coinage with novel reverses of extraordinary designs, and it is speculated that this series of coinage was for circulation in the part of Mercia under the rule of Edward and his sister, with the design of the coinage perhaps showing the influence of Ethelfold. Death and legacy. In 918, the people of the region around York promised to pledge their loyalty to Ethelfold, probably in order to secure her support against Norse raiders from Ireland, but she died on 12th of June 918, less than 2 weeks before the city was able to pay homage to her. She was succeeded as Lady of the Mersons by her daughter, Elfwin, but 6 months later Edward deposed her and took Mercia under his personal control. According to the Parker Chronicle, manuscript of the Anglo-Saxon Chronicle, which was strongly sympathetic to Edward, all the people in the land of the Mersins who had been subject to Ethelful turned to him, and the kings among the Welsh, Hywel and Clydog and Idwal, and all the Welsh people sought to have him as their lord. Hywel Dda was king of Dyfed in southwest Wales, Clydog ap Cadail probably king of Powys in the northeast, and Idwal ab Anarod king of Gwynedd in the northwest. Gwynedd in southeast Wales was already under West Saxon lordship, but in the view of historian T. M. Charles Edwards this passage shows that the other Welsh kingdoms were under Mercian lordship until Edward took direct power by deposing Elfwin. Ethelful died at Tamworth, Staffordshire and was buried with her husband in St. Oswald's Priory, Gloucester, which they had established. A statue of her was erected outside Tamworth Castle in 1913 to commemorate the millennium of her construction of the Burgh of Tamworth.